So hi everyone. In today's video, I'll be introducing you to an amazing tool called ChatPDF. If you have ever struggled with reading or analyzing long PDFs, or you just want to summarize any document for your own productivity, this tool is going to be a game changer for you. So chat PDF basically allows you to chat with your PDF, making it easier to find information. Like it has a conversational interface, so you can actually ask questions. You can ask it to summarize the content and get answers without having to manually scroll through the entire document. So this is basically the homepage of that tool. So it's called chatpdf.com. You can type in into any browser and it will just open up, and on the homepage you see this directly a button which you can place, or where you can actually drop your PDF by dragging and dropping it here, or you can actually select browse my computer to basically open your file explorer and just select that PDF document. And this also has like some video demonstrations or some social media integrations where it actually shows like users from all over the world which have used this tool for their own use cases and found it useful. So we'll quickly begin with selecting one of the PDFs here. So I'll just click here, and this actually opens a dialog box where I can actually select one of the PDF documents. So I'm selecting a research paper here, which is like quantum computers for high performance computing. And you can also select any other document which you want to summarize or analyze, and this tool will work for you. But for the sake of this example, I'm just selecting this one. So I'll click on open here, and you see it starts processing the document, and then you see this screen in front of you. Uh, so basically here you can see the PDF itself which I uploaded here. So quantum computers for high performance computing, and this is a long PDF with like 9 pages with different sections. And uh, on the right hand side you can actually see a chat interface which has like already preoccupied some pre-populated some example questions, so you can directly select one of the one of these three questions, or you can also drop in any of your question that you want to specifically ask about this ask from this PDF. So I'll just start clicking on this example question. So what are the main motivations for integrating quantum computing with high performance computing systems? So you see, you get a nice bulleted list that has like 5 points here, which basically summarize the answer in these 5 points, and it highlights what are the main motivations for integrating QCs with HPC systems. Similarly, you can also ask any other question. So, for example, I'll just ask, can you summarize, or can you summarize this document? So just a quick prompt, and it actually doesn't takes a lot of time to uh, again give you a nice, concise, bulleted list with all the main points of this document. So like it gives you overview of HPC and QC, then the motivation, so everything that is actually in this document. Similarly, I mean, if you want to ask any specific questions, like for example, there's a section here like applications of quantum computing, and uh, I would just like to select this, and you can actually click here and click on summarize. So that also kind of takes that textual input and asks you to like gives you a nice answer which you can actually see on the right hand side. So basically this applications of quantum computing also has like three subsections like in sequence processing, so you can already see some of the examples here. And then there's like single circuit applications, ensemble circuit applications, so everything is here. So if you also want to ask any specific question like for example, explain the section macro architecture design. Sorry for the typo. Yeah. So this also goes ahead and like gives a nice overview of the section. Again, a bulleted list, and you can also like try to compare with like this output with the actual text. So most of the times it actually works, and like my experience has been quite satisfactory, particularly in like reading very large review papers, or even like there are also like to do instructions or instruction manuals that you can also put in here and get a short summary over here. So for example, if you have any PDF which has like 200, 300 pages, and uh, you need some specific information about a specific section, you can ask this tool for that. So yes, and also just one more thing, like in the left side, you see you have this overview of what documents you have read in the past. So I think some of them were actually cached by by my web browser itself, but in my experience, it doesn't works on its own. Like it doesn't saves your chat history. So in order to save your chat history, and for example, if you want to review it sometime afterwards, you can actually sign in here. That's also, I think, free. So you don't need to pay anything for the basic version or the trial version here. So you can just sign in and it'll actually save your chat history here. Similarly, you can actually upgrade to Plus, which is kind of a premium offer they are giving here. So this actually costs a lot, but depending on your use case, depending on your personal or your organization's use case, you can actually consider this, depending on like how intensive your workloads are or how intensive your requirement actually is. So yeah, I mean, that was a very quick introduction to this tool, and this has a lot of examples, and you can also like try it on your own. And I really believe this is a nice tool. So if you're really looking for a way to make reading and analyzing long PDFs faster and more intuitive, I think this is a nice tool for that. And thanks for watching. And please do let us know in the comments if you have any other questions, or you want us to review any particular AI tool that is already available publicly. So we'll try to do that as well. But for now, that's it. And please share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.